Welcome to the website Techsprint 2021 from the Blockchain and Climate Institute. This is the website that provides links to a series of videos as well as other sites and other relevant high-level information about the application. The idea of this specific demo is to show you about the specific capabilities of our endpoint API. This one here, we have a view so that developers could actually try and test our RESTful API Swagger UI. And just as to give you an example, here you generate a specific JSON to make a request. This case is, for example, requesting for 2 postcodes. This gets executed and we get back the results of all the properties that are actually relevant to that, for example, first postcode as well as the second postcode. Then once that a specific property has been identified with, for example, a specific building ID, it is possible to extract information about the risk of that specific building. In this case, we can submit a request on here for a specific building 1900962178, and here we get the response for that specific building with the risk from policy CREM as well as physical risk and other relevant information. Obviously, although this user interface is very good and useful for developers, it's not really very good for in terms of normal citizens. In that case, the best is to go to the mapping tool. This mapping tool, people can write, for example, a specific postcode. This is my personal postcode here in South London, and we're able to select the specific property that we want to check its current energy efficiency as well as both policy and physical risk. This can be changed as well on the go. For example, in East London. And as you can see, it's very interactive and responsive. In this case, we can see that this property is currently E and could have been in C, but this can be changed to the specific property. I welcome you to also follow watching the video of my colleague Maria, who will explain about the Algorand Green Ball DLT. Thank you for your attention.